Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a photo in Instagram comments. Instagram has introduced a feature that allows some users to add photos in comment. So firstly you need to open the Instagram app, and after that you need to go to the post that you want to comment on and simply tap on the comment icon below. And from here in the bottom right there's a small photo icon, select there, and from here you need to select a photo from a gallery and tap onto the post on the bottom right. And that is it. That's how you can add a photo in Instagram comments using the photo comment feature. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. And if you do not see the photo icon, you must update your Instagram app to the latest version from the App Store or the Google Play Store. And you can also wait for the feature to roll out to your account. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.